Hi everyone. I was going to say April 22nd. This is May 2nd. It is the April 22nd to May 5th iteration demos. This is for the optimization group for digital experience. And I will go ahead with what I did for the last 2 weeks. The biggest one, I worked with Mateo on this and John as well about copying metadata before um, the actual pages on our Google Cloud buckets. And it seemed to have worked. We're just collecting data now, but it looks like our 404s have completely flatlined, which is amazing. We're going from thousands. I think I saw it was like a minus 800% decrease in 404s. So we're going to run it for a couple more days, just get some stats, and then we'll share with the rest of the team. So that was a big one. It was a bit of a pain, but it's over, hopefully. Next one, it should be going out any minute, so I'll make sure this recording's had a good time. But we're updating the days for the trial from 30 to 60 days. So I made that change. I'm just waiting for the go ahead to click merge. And then yeah, just kind of keeping track of the translation stuff, making sure it's moving along. We're in a pretty good place right now. We're just waiting for some translations to come back from the people that are doing the translations. We sent off the requests for some blog posts. We're just waiting back for the content, and then we'll get it reviewed by our content managers and hopefully merged into production. So we're thinking maybe about a week. We should get the content back, I think, today or tomorrow, and then we'll review it and merge it. Other than that, there's just some small things like, fine tuning PagerDuty. Is it something we want? What's it going to look like? Um, yeah, and a whole bunch of stuff around the blog and optimization and things like that. So that was me. Next up is Trevor, but he is in Japan. So hope you're having fun. Excited to see you when you come back. And then Miracle's next. Miracle's also off right now. And so she was here for a few days before heading out. The events page looks awesome now. There's a change to the events page. Check it out. Completely got rid of all those featured videos and all that. So it's a lot easier to read and you jump right into the list of events, which is really nice. And then some other work around href lang. I think that's it. I'm going to hand it over to John. Take it away.
Thank you, Nathan. Well, for this iteration, my only focus was to fix a lot of broken links in our page. I started the iteration with 600 broken links, and right now, I hope tomorrow when the automated job runs, I hope to have like 34 or 35 links still to fix, but it's a huge improvement. It's a long work because you have to go and know which is the page that has the broken link. You have to check the dist folder and run pipelines every time you fix a link. So it take some time, but we are almost there. I did as well the implementation of the single request for the navigation data in buyer experience. The release was done at the start of the iteration. It improved a lot the build times in local environments and a little bit in review apps because we are catching some requests in review apps, but it improved a lot our build times. So right now I have an MR ready to implement this as well in the blog. So during the day, I'm going to pass you the MR, and that will be done in the blog as well. That's it for me. And next one is Matthew.
Thank you, John. So as Nathan mentioned, most of my iteration went into rewriting the deploy script. We had multiple different possible solutions and multiple MRs going to see which one performed better. And now I am also ironing out the details that came out with it, like the RSS feed being deleted. That should be fixed right away. We also tried with caching, bunch of different options we had. Also, other than that, I worked on fixing the view page source code, the link in the footer we have for the blog. There was a discussion going on what should we do with that, and we ended up hiding one of the links and changing the URL for the other to link to the blog repo when it is a blog page. Also fixed some localized page that were unintended in generation. such as the localized archive page and the localized live preview page. Those are no longer being generated. Also did a fix for the RSS feed where it was not including the author information for the blog post. This was due to some incorrect formatting when creating the RSS feed. Enabled the localized live previews, and this one was from previous iteration, but it was merged this one for the drop down in the footer, the drop down that changes languages. I have also been working on the failsafe for the delete job, which also had to be rewritten with the changes that we did to the deploy script. So this one should be going out today. And then I also looked into this one. This one was more of a spike, where we want only one pipeline to fire when we do bulk publishes in Contentful for buyer experience. The conclusion for this one was just to leave it as is for now, because the real solution requires an API and a server to be running for us to handle the requests instead of Contentful. Because right now those requests are being fired directly by Contentful, so we have little control on what they fire. So yeah, for now this one will have no action, and we will come back to that one later. Yeah, that's it for me. Next one is Phil's up.
I don't have anything else to share for this iteration, but it seems like a lot of great work was done. Nathan, anything else?
No, I think this was the last one of the quarter.
Yeah.
See you in Q2. Sorry, our
Yep.
quarters are always like offset. It throws me off.
You too.
Awesome. Bye, everyone.